Hello friends, I am Ritvika from Sana's Kitchen. Today, let us see how to prepare easy and tasty prawns roast. 300 grams prawns, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon chicken masala, pinch of turmeric powder, salt as required. Mix well till everything combines. Let the marinated prawns rest for 10 minutes. Heat oil for shallow frying. Drop the prawns into hot oil. Fry till both sides of the prawn turn to golden brown in color. Keep turning so that the prawns cook well. The prawns is cooked, remove it from the oil and set it aside. Into the same oil, add 1 onion finely sliced. Now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add little salt and saute until the onion turns brown. Now add some curry leaves, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. Saute it well so that the onion and sauce gets combined. Now add fried prawns. Saute it until the sauce and prawns gets combined. Check salt before adding. Finally add coriander leaves. Prawns roast is ready. If you like the recipe, subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.